Okay, so this is Y from iAudio.net, and I have got my iAudio F2. It's a MP3 player from COWON, a South Korea-based company. It's about the size of the palm of my hand. It fits perfectly well. Just to give you a size, here's my S9 and my F2. Here's my F2. Here's my S9. The screen is a 1.8 inch. The res is 128 by 160. It's got keys which light up in red, which is quite nice. Why don't you turn it off real quick? But turn on. I am not using the latest firmware. I'm using 1.13 because it is more stable than almost any other firmware that was ever released. The latest is 1.14, but that is unstable, so I'm using 1.13. So this is the main menu. The keys light up as you touch them. Now the way this works is the menu here corresponds with the keys. So say for instance I want to go to music, I would press the play/pause button. If I want to go to video, I would select the up arrow. If I want to go to recording, I would select the circle, and so on and so forth. And if I want to return, which is the one over here, I would just hit this. So yeah. So let's go into the music. The music interface actually it does support album art backgrounds, but you have to have them. You have to have the cover art embedded within the tags of your files. You can't just have it as cover.jpg. It doesn't work that way. But it's actually quite nice feature rather than looking at a defined wallpaper that you set or the default, which is actually quite nice. Now the sound quality on this thing is actually quite nice. It does 60 milliwatts, which is actually higher than the D2, I believe. So we're going to go to the browser here. You can actually hold the arrow keys to go down faster, scroll down faster. But for now, I have my folders. I just basically grabbed all the albums and not the main artist folders themselves because that took too much time while transferring for this video. Sadly, my camera, the battery is going dead, so I had to buy a new one. Let me focus here. Come on, focus. 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 Come on, focus. Ah, why aren't you focusing? Oh well. And there we go, focus back. Okay. Sorry about that. Let's go back here. Now we're going to go to video, which I do have a video. It's from South Park, so please excuse me from that. Now you have to use the Jet Audio software. You can't use any video converter or FreeMake video converter because this device only supports videos only of a 15 frames per second. So you have to use the Jet Audio software, which is not really that bad. But the size of the screen, I really do think that the video is just a gimmick feature. But it actually does work. It doesn't strain my eyes that much if I'm looking from a distance. Excuse me. But the videos actually do look quite nice. You can actually skip. But sorry about that. So for that. So for the videos. Now the videos roughly are like 3 megabytes for that amount of minutes. That was like only like a 1 minute or a 2 minute file. So they roughly range about probably 8 gigabytes. I mean not 8 gigabytes. 8 megabytes. Because of the conversion that iAudio needs, it's actually more than what I had tried to use with FreeMake video converter. So let's see. Let's go into. I'm not going to go into recording. It's just another standard feature. And as you can see, I'm recording my voice, and I'm probably going to play it back after this video. So yeah, let's go back. Let's go to radio. Oh. Oh. Here's the radio. Pretty much your standard pretty much you can have your presets. You can save your current channel. Sorry about my camera not focusing correctly. Come on, focus. There we go. And you can use arrows to change stations. You can actually hold it down too. Oh. I'm just going to go to my saved. Okay. Now we're going to go into the pictures. I actually have mine set to pivot. For overload. Sometimes the UI or the firmware gets overloaded. Yeah, they're not showing at all. So I can't show you this. I can't show you the pictures. So we're just going to go back. I don't have any text, so I can't do anything about that. But I can show you the settings. You have your jet effect, your BBE standard. It doesn't have the jet effect 3.0. It's not focusing. Come on, focus. I'm sorry for the inconvenience of my camera. There we go. But basically you have pretty much all your standard jet effect settings here. There's nothing missing. So now, let me go back. Oh wait. Let me show you something that's different from other players. Here you can see it's got a subfolder. It's got a subfolder setting. This setting here is actually quite nice, especially when you have your folders actually saved correctly, or have it in the way that I have it. Basically, you want to have a folder that's the artist, and then you want to have the albums within that folder. So basically, folder and albums. Basically, that's how that feature would work. So let's go back. Display mode. Only thing that you'll never see within any other COWON player is the keypad setting, of course, which I do like to have my keypad on. I just haven't gone in with the settings. Auto off. Let's go ahead and change that. There we go. Let's go to information. And version 1.13. I have a gig and 300 megabytes left. So I guess that does it for this video. And of course I shall post it. And of course I shall post this on my YouTube. And this is why. And I'm out.